Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. I'm sure you guys haven't seen my E46 in a very long time, and that is because, as many of you probably know, is I messed up my hood. The hood actually flew up on me while I was driving. I was kind of stupid and it wasn't latched completely because I usually leave it on a tender. So today we're actually going to be fixing my E46. Right now we have the paint booth set up. Matt's actually spraying some of his items for his M4. He's redoing his bumper, he's just priming it, but we are going to be spraying the hood and both the fenders. As you can see, they're off the car right now. They're in the garage, they've already been prepped, and we're gonna be spraying really soon. So we actually ended up getting a new paint booth. This is a bigger paint booth from a company called Sunroof, I believe is the name. You probably saw me paint my E46 in it. This is a new booth that we have actually to spray some of the new items that we got. Basically, we used the booth so many times it just got super dirty, so reached out and worked with them to be able to get us another booth. This booth is actually even better. The quality's better, the zippers are better, the filters are better. Super easy to set up. These filters are actually way better. We had some issues with the filters on the last one, so we have some better filters, better zippers. We had issues with the zippers on the last one. And yeah, we're gonna throw you guys in a time lapse once we start spraying, but just take a look at how big this booth is. So this could fit a car and some. The other one was just enough for a car, but we ended up going a little bigger because we have a lot of objects to spray. Today we're doing my hood, both my fenders, Matt's bumpers, and his friend's Tom's bumpers, because Matt's M4 and his friend's Tom's car is the same exact color. So we're gonna be doing that all today in this booth, so we really needed a bigger booth. But E46 should be back up in action after this. Looks so bad right now without anything on it, but we'll get that fixed. And yeah, so right now I'm gonna start pulling in the stuff. Matt should be finished spraying in a minute, so we'll pull in the stuff and we'll start spraying. Like always, before we get started with today's video, give this video a huge thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Check out all of my links down below. We'll have a link to this booth down below. This booth has absolutely been a godsend. So if you're looking at spraying anything on your car, I highly suggest picking up one of these booths. They're super affordable, super convenient, and they make your jobs come out so much better. I believe this is, I'll have the link to the exact one. I forget the size that we got. Just if you're looking for a comparison, once you see everything in it, it'll give you a good idea of what you can actually fit inside of the booth. I know it has two 950 blower motors, so that's one's to blow it up, and the other one is actually for air filtration, to kind of push some positive airflow through the booth, which is really good, so you're not getting just dust spitting in the booth. It's actually being spit out of the booth and into these filters, which is really, really convenient. So painting is done. We had some issues with Matt's bumper. It looks a little crayon-y. I don't know if you can really tell. A good wet sand will fix that. And then here's a look at my hood. It looks pretty good. Honestly, I regret buying this hood. Some guy on, I think, Facebook, I found it, and he said it was ready to paint. He was actually going to paint it and then got rid of his e46. I didn't realize till after there's a little dent there that you can just barely tell. Gonna wet sand it. I mean, there's nothing I can really do about the little dent that I see in there, so that has to stay. Fenders are looking really good. Ran right there, which I really don't care about it running because I'm just gonna wet sand it out. I have a denibbing tool. So yeah, so this, again, one more look at the booth that we use. This booth is absolutely massive. We had dual fans. We had 3 fans running in the back. 1 to blow it up, 2 exhaust fans, a lot of positive air pressure. We had these filters. So basically all the air comes in here, filters out, and there's filter there. And yeah, this booth is definitely worth the money if you're looking to spray paint anything. I'll have it linked down below, like I said. So I'm just gonna go put everything back on the car, not today, but what do you think of my car, Matt? Still looks like crap?
It's gonna look better.
It's gonna look better. Yeah, guys, I'm such an idiot that the hood flipped up on me. And I think I said this in my other video. This is my 2nd time that this has happened to me. It happened to me with another car, and it happened to me again with this car, and I hate it. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. It's time to close out today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You'll see a lot more E46 content now that the E46 is fixed. I will be driving it around more, so you guys will see a lot more coverage on the E46. And yeah, before we close out this video, give this video a huge thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Check out all of my links down below, as well as the link to this paint booth. It is honestly a godsend and really made this job turn out a lot better than we intended. So check it out. It's an awesome booth for the money. I actually have another one and this one now. This one's a little cleaner. The other one's pretty dirty. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the next one.